Well, howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. We got a real short one for you today. We got some pretty significant frustration going on here. If you'll look, we are back here at the back of Old Private Parts, and our fuel tank strap has become separated. This was a new one that I bought and put on to Private Parts when I did the repaint on him last year. I never for once could have dreamed that the ring was made out of freaking plastic. I went to tighten up the can. I've just finished washing Private Parts, getting him ready for the Armed Forces Day Parade in Hawthorne, Nevada tomorrow. So, how are we going to fix this? What we've got is we've got a carabiner here. This is a GI carabiner. It was in my collection of stuff. And so we're going to take the carabiner and we are going to loop it in place of that ring. And it does not fit extremely well, but it will go ahead and fit. So actually the way we got to do this, because we want it so the gate is facing downward. So we're going to have to hook it on this side first. And it doesn't fit real well, but it will fit on there. We're going to have to pull the fuel can off. And I suppose the plastic ones would probably work just fine if all you're doing is hauling an empty can around, just around town. But I carry fuel in this thing all the time because that is part of the fuel. The 5-gallon fuel can is part of the fuel load for the 151. So as you can see, we had a fairly easy fix to it. You know, it don't look right, but it is a USGI carabiner, and so until we can find a metal ring that we can stitch in here, this is what's going to have to do. So that's it for this one. Just a word to the wise: be careful of what you get. Because these guys that are selling this stuff are not advertising it. Now granted, I did not buy this online. This was bought at a military vehicle show. And so, and I suspect that the seller may not have even been aware. But it's been so many years ago, I can't even remember where I got it. But just a word to the wise, if you order something like this online, it comes in, check it to see if it's plastic. If it's plastic, send it back. Either that or figure out a way that you can go ahead and get a metal ring put in there, because this could have been potentially disastrous for me. If I'd lost this 5-gallon can while I was out in the hills somewhere and needed this extra 5 gallons to get home, that could have made the difference between, you know, getting home And you know, if I lost this can, getting home and making a very, very, very expensive phone call or a long hike to get to a place where I could make a very expensive phone call to have somebody bring me out fuel. So at any rate, be careful what you're ordering. So at any rate, this is a short one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.